everyone! Today we are testing out 3 different eyelash hacks that I found on TikTok. Forcier. I am a huge fan of long, thick, beautiful eyelashes, so I'm very excited to test these out today. The first eyelash hack that we are testing out today is from Miana Lauren. This is a cat eyelash hack that is inspired by Kendall Jenner. Basically, you take your strip of fake eyelashes and you put them a little higher on the end than your normal eyelashes, and then you just fill in the rest. Now, she looks absolutely wonderful doing this hack. I don't know if I would look good with this hack. Let's try it. We're just gonna take our glue and we're just gonna glue our lashes as usual. Yes, okay, we're in business. Oh my gosh, I don't feel right about this. Oh boy. Round 2, let's go. The next step is to fill in the little gaps between the lashes and the false lashes with some black eyeshadow. Easy enough, I can do that. Oh my gosh, we're basically doing like a wing right underneath it. Well, it definitely worked from afar. This is just very obvious. This is what the finishing product looks like. I understand the concept. However, you will always be able to see that there are 2 sets of lashes on your face. Yeah, sad to say it, but it's true. This next eyelash hack is from Lena Fina. This is a way to look like you have eyelash extensions just by using fake eyelashes. And I don't just mean 1 set of fake eyelashes. We are using 2 sets of fake eyelashes. Let's try it out. Okay, so we're taking our first set and we're going to place them on top. And as for gluing them, we're going to put the glue not just on the band, but a little below the band too. Yes, we're putting it a little underneath. This is gonna pull my lashes out. I already know it. So now we're taking our second set of lashes and we're going to put glue on the inside. And then we're going to press them on underneath our lashes. I don't want to do this. I don't know how to go about this. How do I look normal doing this? I don't know how. Oh no. Oh my god, I felt the glue. I felt it. It's barely hanging on. Oh no. Oh, that's not it. How is this supposed to happen? No way. I can't look at myself. Ow. Ouchie. It's pulling on my eyelashes. They're so heavy. It hurts to close my eyes. This is not even close to normal. Oh my gosh. First off, what in the world is happening? Okay, y'all, let me know if anyone out there has accomplished this and feels comfortable wearing 2 lashes sandwiched on your face all day. Let me know. Someone, anyone, tell me. I just want to rip these off my face. However, as a hack for them looking like eyelash extensions, I have in fact seen eyelash extensions look like this. So does this hack work? Yes? Can I rock this? No. And for the final eyelash hack, we are testing out GWXO's cotton eyelash hack. This is essentially a way to give yourself longer eyelashes without using fake eyelashes or anything at all but cotton. It kind of reminds me of like the fiber lash trend, you know, that was happening a while ago. Why not try it out? So I have my mascara, I have some cotton, and I have a little spoolie going on right now. We're just going to be layering mascara and cotton until we have our desired look. I understand this concept. I think it will work. I just don't know how well it's gonna look, you know? Let's get some wet mascara on right now. And we're going to just get a little, oh boy. We're just gonna get a little cotton on the spoolie. Oh yeah. Ooh, there we go. It doesn't really coat them that well, but it's fine. We're still trying. No! Get back on there. So we have some like long little strands now sticking on there. Let's keep going. Okay. Well, something is happening. If you look closely, you can tell that there are some little cotton strands that are sticking. I don't know what could be different, but the cotton is sticking to the spoolie. The cotton is getting in my mascara. Look at this. And I only have a few little long, they look like hairs. They just look like long black hairs, not eyelashes. Maybe with more time and effort, this one would look a little better, but I have tried the fiber lashes before, you know, like the 1, 2, 3 steps, and even that worked better, even though it like fell all over my face all the time. Yeah, I don't know about this one. It's a no for me. Well, we tried. I love testing beauty hacks so much, and I really like how I got to test out 3 different lash hacks all in one video. So if you like testing hack videos like this, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. You can also comment down below and let me know which eyelash hack was your favorite and which one you want to try. I'll be reading, I'll be there. You let me know. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!